Josh and I are what you'd call frugal minimalists. We always find it interesting to see where the bulk of other people's money goes. So if you're interested, here's ours. Number 1, our mortgage. We're paying off our house right now and it's our biggest expense. Where we live in Australia, it's actually cheaper to have a mortgage than it is to rent, which is crazy, but it is the world that we're living in right now. It's definitely meant some compromises though, so keep watching.
Number 2, food. To help pay off our home loan sooner, we've cooked the majority of our meals at home. 98.4% of our meals we cooked at home. That's right, we did the math. We eat out an average of once every 3 weeks. It helps that we actually really enjoy cooking and that we have a dishwasher now. So when we eat out, it's usually for a special occasion and we really savor it together.
Number 3, bills. We've automated all of our bills, which really simplifies things. Although we're not rolling in dough to buy a solar battery just yet, we are saving for it. We have cut our electricity prices in half just from having solar on our roof.
Number 4, stocks. Most of our money is in ETFs, then being exchange traded funds. These consist of a diversified group of the top companies from around the world. We invest through Vanguard and just get paid dividends out each quarter. This goes right back into paying off our mortgage and covering our bills.
Number 5, in the bank. We keep the majority in our emergency accounts and a small remainder in our everyday accounts. If we have a small amount in our everyday, it means that we're not tempted to spend it.
Number 6, our doggo. Dogs are expensive. Addie is a beautiful but mischievous little gremlin who loves to get into things and explore. She's our pride and joy and is completely worth the thousands that she has cost us already. So there we have it. That's where most of our money is going right now. It's an expensive time to live at the moment for nearly everyone, and we're definitely aware of just how much things like food, electricity bills, and interest rates have skyrocketed over the last 3 years. We've made this video in the hopes that it gives you some inspiration to think about where your top expenses are.
For me, it used to be new clothes and eating out all the time. It just wasn't something that I had front of mind. I hope someone finds inspiration from this video to think about where the bulk of your money's going, or where you'd like it to go in the future. We're not rolling in dough to buy a battery. To buy one battery. Just one singular battery.